In this video, we're talking about 7F, and we want to understand the concept of logical equivalence. Logical equivalence. Now, when you've got two truth functional statements, two compound statements, and they have identical truth values on every line of the truth table under the main operators, those two statements are logically equivalent. So look at these. We've got a truth table, and I want you to notice something. You can build a truth table. In the past, we've been building a truth table and got like the civil statements are over here on the left, S and H, and then we just have one compound statement over here on the right-hand side. But you can also add, put another line and put another compound statement so that you can compare the truth values of two compound statements. And we're going to be doing a lot of that. Okay, so look at this one. Our first compound statement is, it's not the case that S and H. So the negation sign is the main operator, and here's the truth values under that. In the second compound statement, the main operator is the wedge, and here's the truth values under here. Now look at line 1. False, false. They're the same. And then this one's got true, true, true on lines 2 through 4. And this one has true, true, true on lines 2 through 4. They have the exact same truth values on each line. That means they're logically equivalent. So if you want to figure out if two statements are logically equivalent, you build a truth table like this. You find the truth values of the main operators, and you just check line by line. Are they identical or are they not? So here's two compound statements. We build out the truth tables like this, and then we compare each line. So on line 1, we've got a F and a true. Yeah, false and a true. Are those logically equivalent? No, they're not, because these are different truth values on line 1. So we already know these are not logically equivalent. Now line 2, they have the same truth value. Line 3, they don't. Line 4, they do. The point is, if there is even one line where they don't have the same truth value, they're not logically equivalent. Okay. And in the next video, we'll do 7G.